Nadine, and I just attended the interactive theatre session with Danesh, and we loved it. Personally loved it. We used like the first part of the session to really discover and interact with each other, and it was really beautiful because I will definitely use this in the future. And yeah, it left an impact, and yeah.
So I just finished the Theatre for Social Change workshop and I really loved it. I think it was a great way for everyone to connect with their emotions through theatre, and maybe even better, I find that it was a great way for us to explore social issues and be empowered by using theatre to process what we're feeling and create out that can show other people how we're feeling, whether that be feeling oppressed or feeling like we're struggling with mental health or other social issues. So I could not recommend the workshop enough.
So I attended this workshop, and honestly, like, I feel so emotional. I do storytelling a lot, but expressing ourselves through motion, through an image, it brings the story into more like we could empathize our stories in a beautiful way, and this is what the world needs. So I believe this workshop is what the world needs, because people have been so much disconnected from their human self, and with this storytelling workshop, with this theater, people could reconnect with that human part in themselves. So yeah, I'm very grateful to be here.
And that's how the violence started, because when she denied who gave her what she owns. It was one of the best workshop I have attended until now. It cannot be more interactive. It was very interactive, very involving. You are not going to feel bored, and I'm pretty sure the takeaways from this workshop, you will remember that for a very, very long time, maybe until your last breath probably, but it was really amazing.